Good morning, it's me in my dressing gown again. Let's see if we can make this work. I've been a while shiggling things about and really I just want to draw my eye with a pencil. And I've set things up so that I'm quite comfortable now. I was going to draw on the back of an envelope. Then I thought I have actually got a sheet left in my sketchbook, well, back cover. So I'm just going to use that. Okay. So when you're drawing yourself or anything, really set yourself up so that you can see what it is that you're drawing, and you can see your page by only moving your eyes, especially if it's your eye that you're drawing. I notice that my eyebrows are fairly animated in general, and so today I'm going to see if I can manage to keep them static when I'm drawing. Okay, so like I said in the last series of art with Áine, when I was drawing my eye, I was waiting to get the fairy. Do you remember that? And I was talking about how it's I find it really helpful to not see it as being a drawing of an eye, but so much, as to kind of find the shape of the space between parts. So today now I'm looking at the shape of the space between the eyebrow and the eyelid, the shape of that skin that's there. And it's quite a pleasing thing actually, just to find the shadows. Just to let your hand respond to the different things that you're seeing as your eyes are curious as to what's happening here today in this particular configuration of light and tone and all the rest of it, and form. I've actually got a self-portrait to paint for a kind of a blog thing for the Ken Bromley art supplies online. I've got myself a new set of acrylic paint, and I'm going to do a step-by-step painting. Self-portrait, so this is kind of a good entry into that. So just finding the dark of the pupil in the midst of the iris there. And I guess it's a very small image that you're seeing. I'll bring it a bit closer towards the end. Yeah, I had actually stopped doing my drawings every day. I mean the morning drawings. So in part I decided to do the 30 days for selfish reasons, because I know how good it is for me to begin the day with a bit of creative action. And knowing that I'm making something for you lot to watch, kind of gives me more of an impetus to do it. And then I remember I actually enjoy this stuff. So I find the diagonal stroke quite a satisfying shading mark. And if you find, like me, that you're getting a bit tense in the shoulders, you can just stop. Ooh, do you hear that crack? Relax, draw back, and Margot's out the window there. I'd forgotten she was quite a feature in the last 30 days, so I'll see if I can get her to pose for us at the end. But yeah, to keep a radar up for any tension that might arise as you're working, because it's the sure sign that you need to draw back and just give yourself a little rest. I'm going to be doing a kind of movement medicine workshop retreat. It's actually called an immersion, which maybe slightly intense, but on dance and movement in Northumberland starting on Friday, so a couple of days' time. Yeah, I'm a bit behind with the videos, or a bit ahead, I suppose you could say. So it's maybe not Friday when you're seeing this, or anyway, it doesn't matter. I was going to say, so you know, the whole movement thing really interests me. Movement and how we express ourselves in. Just going to see how much time I've got left. Not quite a lot. How we express ourselves really from the ground up and below, beyond the ground. It's kind of through our bodies that whatever creative action that we arrive at has come, like Dylan Thomas said, along with he said the force that through the green fuse drives the flower. And I guess our bodies are similar to that green fuse, and the force driving through us, I think, can be assisted by our being more conscious of our movement, maybe, or just conscious of how important it is that how important our physical bodies are. Maybe a bit like a kind of conductor in a storm or something that, you know, yeah, something like that. I kind of half rely on not really listening to what I'm talking about. It's early in the morning now, like, so I can't be expected to make too much sense. Okay. I'm going to bring you down a bit closer here, so you can see what's going on there. Okay. So that's my eye so far. Early morning eye. And there it is there. Hi. And there's Margot. Can you see her out the window? Right. She'll be wondering why she's not being allowed in. I'll just finish off a few more small marks. Oh, jeekers. There we go. Wouldn't be the same without the camera falling off with it. Okay. Yeah, so my mum is coming over today to look after the girls while I'm away. She's coming from Ireland this morning, so I think it's about 6:30 now. I'm going to pick her up at 8:30. And yeah, it'll be lovely to see her, and even just for a couple of days. We'll be here together, and then I'm heading off on Friday for my immersion. So we'll see what happens. Okay. I think I might give it a bit of context, seeing as we've got a couple of minutes left. I'm going to carry on with this. I'm kind of enjoying it anyway. And I might bring the shadows down into the area of the nose a little bit more. It's just finding the channel in the same way as you're looking at the space between these two. You're looking at the space between these two darks here, so that the shadow where the C shape of the nostril meets the skin of the cheek. That's the next thing I'm looking at. And just something of the cavity of the nostril then. And there's a kind of a shadow here that's lower, almost like triangular shape. And the wrinkle. Okay. Right, it's been good seeing you again. There I am. Well, am I? Something like me and I. Can you see that? Yeah, I just went a bit wild with the scribbles. But yeah, so today have a go at drawing your own face. Maybe just the eye, maybe a bit more. And it's a fabulously sunny morning here, so I might actually head out for a walk now in the woods and then off to the airport for my mum. You have a great day. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.